Welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today, get ready to take your graphic design game to the next level. Canva just unveiled their groundbreaking new Magic Studio on October 4th, 2023. This mega update packs a ton of advanced AI tools to boost your creativity within Canva's familiar interface. Let's go ahead and talk about some of them. For me, the showstopper was the integration with AI video startup Runway ML. Now you can generate up to 18 seconds of video simply by typing text or uploading an image. The AI works its magic, transforming your words and images into captivating motion graphics. If this feature is anything like Runway Gen 2, I really think it will be incredible. There's also a major update to Magic Design. Just describe what you want to see and it'll whip up custom graphics and visuals tuned to your brand's unique look and feel. Other highlights include Magic Switch for converting file formats and languages in just one click, and a souped-up Magic Media that turns text into vivid images in totally new artistic styles. But Magic Studio just doesn't help you create eye-catching content, it also helps you edit like a pro with tools like Magic Grab, which makes repositioning design elements a breeze, and Magic Expand that allows you to extend photos seamlessly in any direction. And even Text Grab, which allows you to edit any existing text on a photo. Plus, there's Magic Morph, which transforms words and shapes with a simple written prompt. Magic Animate, which uses AI to automatically animate the elements on your slides. And a feature called Brand Voice in Magic Write, which uses AI to generate text to the appropriate writing style of your specific brand. So many awesome updates. Whether you're an educator, entrepreneur, or hobbyist, Magic Studio puts advanced AI inside your toolbox. As Canva says, just envision it, and their magic will bring your ideas to life faster than ever before. So stay tuned over the coming weeks as I showcase some of my favorite new Magic Studio features, because this is just the beginning of a new era in AI graphic design. Hope you like this video. If you want to see that, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out.